Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a bunch of stuff here. These are the iPhone accessories that you guys might like. We are going to be checking each one of them. And I think they are really good for portability and some interesting features that you guys might like on this one. First off, what we're going to need is a power bank, especially if we're talking about the iPhone. I have an interesting power bank right here. We are going to be checking. And this one, I'm going to be butchering the name, but it's a POIYTIL portable power bank, 100 watts with 20,000 milliamp powers. This is a fast charging. If I can just open this one. Okay, here we go. So it says here, power bank 20,000 milliamps, and it has quite a few languages right here using your power bank, LED display, flashlight, USB output. It has USB Type-C, power on and off. So here we go. The specification is a capacity, obviously 20,000 milliamps. There's two Type-Cs actually, Type-C ports, if I'm not mistaken. Or am I? There's one USB Type-A and one USB Type-C. So we'll see. Let's get this power bank right here. Packaging is pretty simple. As you can see, it is transparent. That's why I said it's a very interesting power bank right here. I think it looks good. It shows here 100 watts and there is an LED display right here. On top, it has the USB-A right here and the USB Type-C. So there's only one. There's one each. There's two ports, one USB Type-A and one USB Type-C. And then there is a power button in between the label here or below the USB Type-A. And then at the back, it has all the, I guess, it has the specification right here, which you can see it's underneath the, oh yeah, I thought it was glass, but it's plastic. I guess you cannot, you know, it wouldn't make sense with glass, because if you drop this, then that's it. And it has a flashlight at the bottom. We're going to be testing this out. Oh, okay. So I pressed the power button accidentally. It has 55% power or charge right now. I notice this is covered in plastic, so we are going to peel this off right here. Can I peel it off properly? That is a question. Let's see. Okay. Very interesting product, if you can see. I don't know if you guys can, maybe you can see them from the overhead camera. You can see the PCV inside and all the PCB inside the board, circuitry board inside it with all these stuff. Okay, and can you open it? Nope. All right, no, long press. Okay, so it is a long press. I think it's about 2 seconds. Yep. So here we go. There is only one level of light, but that's not a big deal. Let's see what is inside here. Yep, I assume. Yep, there is a USB-C cable right here. So since they provided the USB-C, I assume it's going to be this USB Type-C that you are going to be powering. Does it include? No, unfortunately, it doesn't include a power adapter. But that's not really a big deal because you have a USB-C, you can plug this in anywhere. But we are going to be testing this out since I have an iPhone 15 Pro right here, which is USB-C. So we are going to charge this in. Here we go. Okay, so now charging. I'm on 40% on my iPhone 15 Pro. So basically it's showing right here. I think it's showing the 9.1 amperes or something. Well, it does say A. This is pretty interesting actually. At least, you know, it's quite refreshing if I'm not mistaken, or if I may. The downside to this one is I don't know if how much these information right here. I don't know how much useful that is for you, but I like it. It's quite interesting. You have a flashlight at the bottom. It's 20,000 milliamp power. We are going to be charging this, but I digress. We're going to get the second iPhone accessory that I think you will like. Number 2 accessory is the Rhino Shield. No, not the case. Rhino Shield Aqua Stand or Aqua Stand magnetic bottle. So we are going to be opening this up. It is a water bottle, so it's quite interesting, especially from Rhino Shield, where they are. Oh, actually, there is a pull to open label here, so I don't need a cutter, but let's do that. There we go, pretty easy. Especially when Rhino Shield is known for iPhone cases, but they have expanded. So when you open the box right here, it has lid, and I think that's French, but anyways, I can't read that. Lid and bottle. So they are separate in the package. Pretty neat, actually. And what else is here? There is the Rhino Shield logo right here. I assume this is the instruction manual. Or, oh, these are the precaution paper. And yeah, yep, it does say, it has here. I guess it is an instruction manual. Usage 1, usage 2, cleaning, health advisory, and all that. Okay, put that away. Does it have anything else? What is this one? I wonder if this is... No, it's hollow. Nothing is inside. This is away. Okay, so... let's open the bottle first. Here we go. Ooh, okay. So I like that they include, or there is a, I guess a cover right here. Oh, that's nice. So I like this one because it has the pouch already, and it has the Rhino Shield. It looks quality. It's not like just any paper or something that's just like covering the, the bottle and all that, but this is actually a useful pouch that you can bring in. Okay, so the bottle, very, very clean. I chose the white because if it's black, then it looks, I don't know. I just thought the white would be very interesting. Kind of like a matte type finish, almost like my table right here. It's not smooth, which is good because like you need the grip, especially when you're holding this one. And it is metal, good. It's not plastic, so normally metal tastes better than plastic. And it has a rubber bottom right here with the Rhino Shield logo. So that's for the anti-slip. Let's open the lid. Okay. So the lid is it's hard plastic, but it's actually quality, if I may. This is the one that I actually am curious about, especially I think you will like this one once we get a hold of this one. But yep, this is for the iPhone. Wait till you see. Okay, and how do you open this one? Okay, so there is a lock right here. That's locked, and then you press this one and then pull this kind of like a lever or locking mechanism to open it up. And I guess you can try. Let's close this. Can you open? Okay. Then you open. I guess you unlock and open. Okay. And this is how it looks like on top. Now, the one I've been looking for, I'm really curious to try, is this ring right here. It's supposed to be magnetic. Yep, it is. So it's really, really cool, especially when you have a water bottle, you're going camping, but you need somewhere, you just want to watch and you need something, then you can use this one. Or prefer it to your angle, or if you like it sideways and you can watch, especially when you're outdoors or traveling and you have nowhere to put. Especially sometimes I have to put it like this one, but then it vibrates and it falls down. So this is really handy, as you can see. Really, really good. I like this one. This is pretty good. Let's move that away. Third iPhone accessories that I think you might like, a lot smaller. This is the Spigen One Tap MagFit Away Travel Essential. So this is more about the portability again. Let me get the cutter. Okay, so this one, as you can see, it does say here One Tap Away Travel and in-flight phone mount. So especially when you're mostly on the plane or I don't know, on a train, long hours and stuff, you just wanted to watch, or maybe at the desk. It doesn't matter. Let me open this up and you will see what I mean. So this is pretty much, it is compatible to pretty much almost like 15 Pro, iPhone 15, 14, all the way to the 12 series. I think the 12 series is the first one that has a magnetic back, but I digress. Basically, it's almost the same as the magnetic ring right here for the Rhino Shield water bottle. Put this in, and this has a locking mechanism right here. There is a lever right here, so to clip it to any table or somewhere at any edge. Right here. So this, I'm not entirely sure what this is. Oh, okay. It's for There's a bit of a hole right here where you can, I guess, put a almost like a key ring or something like this. That's not included, by the way. But let's try that. You put it here, and then you put it. You put your phone right here with the magnet right here, MagSafe and stuff, and then you can watch. You can tilt it to the way you like, or you want it portrait mode. Really, really handy. If in my opinion. This is from Spigen. I also have a Spigen case right here that I unboxed before. It does say Spigen right here, and it's pretty. This is very, very simple, small. Look how tiny it is. I mean, how slim it is. You can just put it in your pocket or in your backpack. Very, very handy, especially when you're traveling. I like this accessory as well. I'll put down the prices, in the description with the links. Use my link if you guys are interested in buying any of these. The fourth one that we are going to be checking, or I think you guys might like, is this is an Andor 3 wheels wireless remote control. It's a camera stand. This is most likely if you like making videos or B-roll, especially for content creators. I think this iPhone accessory is really, really handy, and you guys might like this one. It has the instructions manual right off the bat, auto dolly instruction manual. Okay, yep, it's an Andor 3 wheel, basically an auto dolly where it moves and stuff. So we are going to be checking this out in a bit. Item structure, operation, angle, shoot, and all that right here. So this is the main body. This should be the, I guess the tires, if I may, or the rollers and all that. These three. Also, by the way, this is remote controlled, so just so you know, we are gonna be okay. It says here Andor. There are two holes, and then these are the. Yep, it's going to be like this one. You can move along, and on the side it has a speed label right here, and then there's a button. Basically, it's a speed button, and then there's this left and right arrow. I think it's like a mode or something. We are going to be checking out at the bottom. This one is how it looks like. It's one of the bolts to be connecting for your iPhone. This is going to be clipping. So these are the, I guess, the, what do you call this one? Like, there's a ball and you can like screw in your camera or whichever. We're going to try the iPhone for now because I'm using the camera basically. But we have all these different sizes, or if you like a mic, but this is mostly intended for the camera, and maybe an iPhone will do. I'll show it to you later. If I can just take this out. Here's a remote, pretty simple remote, plastic CR2032 battery inside. It has a USB cable, but unfortunately, it's not that bad, but I was kind of hoping it was USB-C, but what can you do? It uses a micro USB cable. What is this? Okay, so it has an Allen wrench and a ring right here. This is a spare rubber tire, if I may, right here. So that's good, that's appreciated. And then it has the Allen wrench right here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use all the tools right here. I'll be right back. All right, so I've assembled this one. I've assembled the iPhone holder right here. So we are going to be putting the iPhone here. Give me 1 second. This is going to be good for B-rolls, especially for content creators and stuff. You want to shoot a portrait video or like a B-roll showcasing a product. Let's say, for example, this one right here. Let's open. Let's turn this on. Hopefully, it has juice. Okay, so it has 3 bars right here. Good. So it has juice inside. So pressing the play button. I gotta record this first. Okay, let's go. Recording. Wow. Am I still on? Hopefully it is on in center or something. Oh, actually, let me move that. Let's see if it's actually. It's pretty good. And then there are, I guess, the speed. You want it slower, faster. Wow. I think I'm going to be using this. I like it. So there are 3 levels of speed right here. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna be using this a lot for my B-rolls next time. But yeah, and then actually that was just, if you just want a straight side shot, I guess we can line it up. It does have a, if you can see, a label right here for a line and angle, you know, for the angle of the wheel or the tires. If you can see it on the, hopefully you can see it on the overhead camera right here. Okay, so I wonder if you can do the other way. I'm gonna try it out. I think you can. Yep, it's the other button right here. The I guess the kind of like a U-turn label right here or logo. Go back. Okay, that's the slowest one. It's pretty cool. Okay, so the last one I wanted to show you that I think it is, you know, a must, well, not really a must-have, but I really recommend, especially if you have an iPhone accessory. It is the AirPods Pro, especially the second generation. This still has the Lightning. Apple does have the new AirPods Pro with the USB-C, but it's pretty much the same. You may not be able to see it right now because I have the Spigen case right here, but it's the AirPods Pro. If you want the best, I guess, the best connectivity, noise cancellation, I think the noise cancellation of this true wireless earbuds is really, really good. The not so best on the AirPods Pro though is the mic. It picks up a lot of background noises. Especially when you're on the streets. You know, when I'm walking in Manhattan, lots of noises when you're on a call. It's not the best, that's what I'm saying, but for like productivity or like connectivity with iPhone, this is the best. Speaker is good, you know, with the Dolby Atmos or lossless audio. I think it's pretty good compared to the competitors of this model. If you want a better sound, obviously you're gonna have those $1,000 overhead speakers or overhead headphones and stuff. But I digress. The other thing that the AirPods Pro has, especially with Apple introduced, is they have rolled out some software on this one, especially personalized volume. Basically, what it does is it tries to adjust the volume of the media in response to your environment. So like when you have a louder environment, then I guess the volume goes up, or when it's quieter, then you don't really have to. It does have a loud sound reduction. Basically what it does is, especially when there's like a blow or like airplanes, whatever, or siren, you know, sirens, ambulances and stuff, it reduces the loud sounds, you know, outside, so that you don't blow up your ears with the especially when you're listening to music, loud music and stuff. And that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you're interested with any of these iPhone accessories, I'm going to put the referral link down below. Use my referral code. It doesn't really hurt or it doesn't cost you anything. I get some referral. That's good. But I digress. See you in the next video.